What's up, JPC gang? Welcome back to another episode of Jam Pack Cooking. That's right, it's your boy Chef Ray, Mr. Money. Today I got some comfort food for you. Cheat day food. Shh, don't tell nobody we cheating today. It's so near and dear to my heart that we had to give it a special name. Fully loaded lobster, mac daddy, and cheese.
Fully loaded.
Decadent, luxurious. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Welcome back. This is another episode of Jam Pack Cooking. Let's eat family 4. Let's go, baby. What's up, JPC gang? Welcome back, man. Let's cheat day food on the board today. Your boy been in the gym running and gunning, trying to get it off, working hard. I can't let cheat day down. Gotta do it big on cheat day.
Yeah.
Cheat day, that's our excuse and we're sticking to it. I've been wanting some mac and cheese. I said, why not kick it up? As always, gang, starting with the cast iron. We're gonna build a cheese sauce. Bacon. Why are you using bacon? Bacon make it better. Dice this bacon up, cut it down to bite-sized pieces, render it down. We can have bacon bits. We don't want to get a big crispification on it, just a slight crisp. Strip it out just like this here. Nothing too major, gang. Don't cut it too small, because if you cut it too small once it rendered down, you just gonna have bacon bits. We want pieces. And like that, we got bacon pieces. Ain't nothing basic about us, baby. We're gonna put a little spicification in with the cheese. People been putting seafood with cheese way before I was born. Today, we just gonna elevate it with the JPC gang twist on it. Heat on our skillet, my new best friend. Olive oil, infused with the cayenne pepper. Couple tablespoons olive oil, infused with the cayenne pepper. Let's be real, people. Bacon make everything better. You taste it and it tastes extra good. It was because of the bacon. I got this on a medium-high heat to render the fat out this bacon real quick. Got that bacon rendered down. Slight crispification, we bringing home the bacon. Don't get rid of this, man. This is key part of my dish, gang. Come on now, don't be basic, no baseability. Bacon pieces that's been rendered down. Let's build a cheese sauce. Dice some veggies. We got one sweet Vidalia onion. This is gonna add an extra layer of flavor. It's gonna give you that sweetness, that little kick. What's that? It's the onion and the jalapeno pepper. We want it minced. Only using half of this sweet onion today, man, because we just want a slight oniony flavor in here and we don't need a lot. That's why we're gonna mince it. We got minced onion. It's gonna cook down. You barely gonna be able to tell it's in our cheese sauce. Let's handle this jalapeno pepper. Take the stem off. We just want the flesh today. If you want more spice and you want to kick it up a little bit more, leave this in here. The membrane, seeds, a lot of the spicification is right in this. Then slices real quick. Give them a turn. Get the onions and the peppers right into the bacon fat. All that leftover fat we had there rendering down with the bacon, building flavors. If you a mac and cheese lover, this one here is one you're gonna wanna try, man. Got this on a medium heat right now. Medium to low heat. Sweat these down real quick, become translucent. Fully cooked, we want them soft. Cooking that bacon down, it yields about maybe a quarter cup of bacon fat, liquid gold. Let them go just like this for about maybe 2 or 3 minutes. This is not one you want the big crispification in. It's gonna be all about the creamification.
Fully loaded.
Stick around, watch this video from beginning to the end. Time will be well spent. Going in with a teaspoon of minced garlic. Put the garlic in at the end because you don't want to burn the garlic. It's gonna become bitter. Don't nobody like bitter garlic. That's looking about right to me. Add a tablespoon of butter. Maybe a tablespoon and a half. Don't tell nobody. Cheat that.
Yeah.
Cheat that. Now, of course, we put the butter in for flavor. Oil's in there. The other fats in there gonna keep the butter from burning. We have to make a roux. You seen me make that killer roux for that gumbo. If you ain't seen the gumbo video, we gonna tag it right here. Y'all go check that gumbo video out. With the addition of the butter, I'm gonna call this about a half a cup of fats or oils in there. Go in with about a half a cup of this AP flour, which is all-purpose flour. If you go watch that gumbo video, I went into detail on how to make this roux and what all you can use this roux for, especially in a dish like mac and cheese, gumbo. Anything you want that extra creamification in. You want to cook that raw flour taste out of your dish. That's baseability. That's something we don't do, gang. A couple minutes and it's done on a medium heat. Blondes have more fun. That's what we had today with it. Got our roux done. We got the fats. We got the flavors. It's jam-packed. Bacon flavor in there. It's got the butter, the cayenne pepper, olive oil, onions. Kicked all the way up. We're in with about a half a cup of heavy cream. Correct me if I'm wrong. Use cold milk and cold cream when you building your cheese sauce and your roux. It eliminates the lump. No clumpy, no baseability. Got a couple cups of milk here. Whisk that in and let everything thicken up. Got to season it up. No baseability. Desegregation rub. Get this on the site, BIGSMOKEYS, Not your basic salt and pepper. Teaspoon of the desegregation rub. Teaspoon of the magic dust. Make sure you get your magic dust at BIGSMOKEYS for your magic dust. Half a teaspoon smoked paprika. Whisking. Throw your seasoning in while the sauce is still a little thin, so when you get your whisking and become thick, everything marries together. You're gonna have all your seasoning up top and no flavor through the That ain't us. Look at the consistency of this sauce now. You come in with your spoon, you stand up just like that. That's the right consistency we looking for. Turn the fire off, completely off. Time to add the cheese. Staying with the theme of the spicification, this is the ghost pepper cheddar. Cheddar got ghost peppers in it, hot, hot. If you ain't about that life, gang, leave it out if you don't really like spice like that. Today we kicking it up a notch. All the way up. You see the peppers running all through there, right into the cheese sauce.
Mac and cheese can be traced back to the 14th century. The first modern style recipe of mac and cheese can be found in a 1770 cookbook, The Experienced English Housekeeper. Thomas Jefferson's daughter is credited with inventing mac and cheese when she added pasta and Parmesan cheese after Jefferson bought a pasta machine from Italy. The origins of lobster mac and cheese are debatable. One consensus is that it's an outgrowth of dishes like lobster Newburg. Someone traced the origins of lobster mac to the French laundry cookbook, which includes a recipe for lobster with pasta and a mascarpone sauce.
Cup of cheddar and freeze with the ghost pepper. Going in with about a cup mild cheddar cheese that we grated up. Give you a little bite. 1000-day aged Gouda. Big old difference. Now at this point, we got the fire off. We just gonna fold in our cheese till everything become ooey gooey. It's the part where I save the rest of that cream for the heavy cream to bring our sauce to the right consistency that we feel that's right. Take you about 2 or 3 minutes to melt all that cheese in there. Make sure you got that fire turned all the way off. Yeah, this is definitely cheat day food. Oh God, yes sir. The ultimate cheese sauce. Peppers, the onion, the peppers. And I mentioned the ghost pepper. Let's go, baby. Let's make some pasta. Gang, let me show you a key. Look at this pasta. I mean, of course, you can use whichever pasta you want. Take it from your boy. This is gonna get a lot of that cheese and the bacon and the pepper. Gonna bring it all the way up to your mouth. These are the jumbo elbow noodles. A lot of that cheese sauce gonna go inside of there. It's gonna get trapped with the bacon and the onion and all of that. These people ain't sponsoring me, but this is what we using today. This is another key. No baseability. Took this guy here, fresh whole lobster. We handled him accordingly. We've been having him steeping in this water till we got ready to use. Brought this water up to the boil, and you see he changed colors and he looking all beneath though. Leave him right in there. Don't be a noob. Of course, you got the natural flavors from the lobster. We need that. Lobster is releasing all its natural flavors that God gave. Hit it with a tablespoon of salt. The reason for throwing that salt in the water, we want to make sure we season the pasta. Pasta has to become refortified with the whatever in this liquid. You don't want that pasta sticking, use some of this here. Any oil you want. Of course, today we sticking with theme. We got the olive oil infused with the cayenne pepper. Going in with about a couple of tablespoons. A half a pound of the pasta. As soon as you get the pasta in there, of course, you want to move it around so it won't stick on you. Do not take this guy out. Yeah, he started releasing juices and flavors. Follow the directions on your pasta box. Hey. You want to take this pasta up another level? Half a teaspoon of magic dust. BIGSMOKEYS for the magic dust. So we're going to let this pasta do what it got to do, cook, and we got to handle the star of the show, lobster time. We got about a pound of lobster tail here. Take some shears if you want to, straight down the middle. Bust them over just like that. Pull that meat right out. Digestive tract. You don't want to eat that. You know, it's clean that out. No baseability. We don't eat. There it is in the trash. Throw them in the pot with our pasta, and it's just gonna infuse it more with that lobster flavor. We got a pound of lobster here. Come in and cut them about that much. You want to know that you got lobster in your lobster mac and cheese. Get some butter down in our pot. Nothing pairs better with lobster than the butter. Butter make it better. Medium heat, quarter cup of butter in there. And we going in with the lobster. Yes, Lord. Keeping everything seasoned and layered with the flavor. Pinch of the magic dust, about a half a teaspoon. That's gonna kick it up a notch. BIGSMOKEYSBBQ.com for your magic dust. Teaspoon of minced garlic right in there with that butter and that lobster. Key thing, you don't want to overcook your lobster. Don't be basic, do not overcook this lobster. You can almost see through it, it's transparent. But this right here, this is about done. Yeah, it's white meat. When the lobster is not cooked, it's transparent. You can see through it. And when it's cooked, it's white, just like that there. Oh my God, those flavors, you can smell it. Give me a roll or something right now and we done. Time to put it together. Let's check on the pasta. Yes, Lord, look at here. Pasta infused with that lobster. You have done your job, your due diligence. Pour the rest of the shells we put out, set them to the side. Right before we put these in that water, it was like a bluish, grayish color. Wasn't cooked. And the lobster is cooked and it's been hit with any type of heat. This is the color that you're gonna be looking at. Big time, jumbo, elbow, mac and cheese. Don't overcook your pasta because that's basic. Kicked up cheese sauce we got right here. Get it all into the pasta. Yes, Lord. Give it a mix. At this point, one thing you don't want for this pasta to be dry. It's gonna continue to soak up that cheese sauce and it's still gonna thicken up once it cools. Don't come at me, all it's running. No, my brother. Watch it to the end. It's not rocket scientist, baby. Butter, the lobster, all that goes right in. Garlic. Oh, God. Yes, Lord, this just got interesting. Going in with one more cup. Mild cheddar. You go in with much as you want. We're gonna go in with about a cup, maybe a cup and a quarter. Stir it into that hot pasta. Lobster, mac, daddy, and cheese. Yes, Lord. the bacon. Half of your bacon go in now. Mix it in. Yes, Lord, I know it. Calm down, gang, calm down. Look at Lou. Set this off to the side, give it about 5 or 10 minutes. Let it rest. We got one more topping. This is quick, easy, but over the top. No baseability. Let's go. The rest of the lobster that we had, the fresh lobster, halving it just like this. So we got 4 strips. We're gonna make us a tempura. 1/4 cup of flour, 1 egg, club soda. Somebody set me up. Ain't gonna go for that. Cut. They tried to get us, gang, but we back. Look, check this out. Let me see how much gold went in there. So maybe a couple tablespoons of club soda in there. Teaspoon, chicken base. 1/4 cup for 1/4 cup, cup for cup, pound for pound. This recipe gonna be down in the description. Teaspoon of desegregation rub, teaspoon of magic dust. Get our lobster pieces, regular AP flour so it'll stick. Get it down into the wet batter. Shake off the excess into the oil. Look at that. Yes, Lord. GBD, golden brown and delicious. These are just topping. Over the top, though. Golden brown and delicious, baby. Oh, God. Start the show. Y'all ready to eat? Check out the consistency, what I was talking about, how it was gonna thicken out. Yes, Lord. Ooey, gooey, creamification. Plate it up, baby. Oh, God, yes. Come on over here. Oh, God, make sure you overfill that. Yes, Lord. The crispification, the bacon, right up top. Everybody get a little extra crispification. Fresh scallions. This is for you and you. Did you forget? Everybody get a nugget for you right up top. It ain't easy being cheesy, baby. Who ordered up the lobster, mac and cheese? The game. I can't wait no longer. It's time to taste. Get some of this mac and cheese, some of that bacon. Get on here. Don't forget the lobster right there. Come here. Come here. Hitting all type of different, whoa. I'm underdressed for this dish. This is the zip it up with the bow and tie. This is tuxedo food, fit for a king. Gang, you feed her this, you ain't gotta worry about nothing else. Key directly through the heart. Lobster, mac daddy, and cheese. Oh God, stop playing. Stop playing with the game. This is why you don't really want to use a wimpy noodle when you pasta, when you doing a dish like this. Open it up. You see what's inside of there? Extra cheese, the peppers and onion, all inside of the pasta. Gang, if you don't try now other dish,
you got to try this.
I appreciate you for watching. I appreciate you for tuning in, gang. Big double salute to everybody that's getting the magic dust. You'll see your name flying over here somewhere. Big salute to you. If you want to join this list and get in on that magic dust and make your life great, head over to BIGSMOKEYSBBQ.com for all your magic dust. Smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell, because we always jamming and cooking, baby. Till next time, baby, it's me, Chef Ray, Mr. Money. Peace and love. Listen, right after you ring that bell, click share. Most importantly, share these videos. If you want to see the gang climbing the ladder and how we doing, we are climbing the ladder and we are doing what we do. Make sure you share these videos with your family and friend, man. Tell them, hey, it's this dude on YouTube and yeah, up there. Gonna have you up there. Peace and love. That's right, man. It's gonna be decadent and luxurious. All right, go on. You ready again? Come on, let's do it.